Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Last time I made a video about getting access to Canva Pro for free. Today I'm here to tell you about Canva Pro Facebook group that will let you on free Canva Pro teams to join. Okay, without wasting much time, let's dive in. Okay, go to your browser, search Dolphin Pro again. Okay, this video is for those who can't get access to the Canva Pro teams for free. So you join the Facebook group to get updated, to get informed. Okay, so let's go on. Let's start. Click on the Canva Pro. Yeah, scroll. When you're scrolling, take your time. See here, it's a last update 31st October 2024 11:44 a.m. So there is a Facebook group link under which you have to click to get to the Facebook group and join. When you are accepted, you will get informed when there are new updates. Okay, yeah, it said join our Facebook page, highlighted here. What you have to do is click on the link, the highlighted text there. See, I had a message that was 14 hours ago. Yeah, that was 14 hours ago about the Canva Pro teams. I was told to join very fast. So when get within 2 hours, 3 hours, people will be joining because I'm not the only one going to that website. So yeah, I clicked on it. It takes me straight to Facebook. I have to join. I've already joined. So you try the same thing and join the group. Get updated every day. Get updated when there are new links for you to join the Canva Pro team for free. Yeah, see here, they made a message that was 3 days ago, Canva Pro working, and people were rushing to join. So I think this is the best video for you, those who didn't get access to the teams. Okay, thank you very much, and watch out for more tech tips coming.